This is the first time I'm formulating feed online for layers. So this is a special layers feed formula. The best layers feed formula to give you jumbo eggs. That is the extra large eggs. So if you're a poultry farmer or you're a layer farmer or you are rearing laying birds like noilers, broilers, Issa Brown, Leghorn, and any other laying birds, both turkeys, use this particular formula. You're going to get massive egg weight and quality. Let's start. Here, this is best layers feed formula. I've already listed these ingredients here so that I will shorten the length of this video. That's why I did this. Now, here we have serial number, we have ingredients here, we have crude protein content and the rate of inclusion. Here, number one, we have maize, soybean meal, groundnut cake meal, fish meal, blood meal, wheat offal, rice bran, bone meal. All these are both proteinous feed ingredients. Here we have the minerals, oyster shell, limestone, salt, methionine, lysine, and vitamin and mineral premise. All these are additives, vitamins, and minerals. Here we have the oyster shell is 3 kg, limestone is 0.45 kg, salt is 0.25 kg, methionine is 0.3 kg, lysine is 0.25, while vitamin and mineral premise is 0.25. We are looking at 100 kg feed formula. 100 kg. Feed formula for layers. And this is super layers. Massive egg, jumbo egg, extra large egg. That is what you are getting. The ingredient content of each of this one and the crude protein content and their inclusion rate. Here now we are talking about percentage here. Here we are talking about kilogram. That is the weight. Now let me start with the maize. The maize here we have 9%. Is 45%. Groundnut cake is 45%. Fish meal is 50%. Blood meal is 85%. Wheat offal is 15%. Rice bran is 17%. Bone and meat meal is 50%. Rice bran 8 kg. Wheat offal kg. Blood meal here I am going with 1 kg. Remember that blood meal is highly proteinous. Fish meal here I'm going with 2 kg. Both blood meal and fish meal are 2 animal products we have here. Then soybean and groundnut cake are crop protein we have here. Then we have the groundnut cake. Groundnut cake here I'm going with 10 kg. Then soybean I'm going with 10 kg. Now let's get the protein content of all these ones. Then we know what we have for energy, which is the carbohydrate, which also have some level of protein, which is about 9%. How do we get that? We have to multiply the crude protein content by the rate of inclusion and divide it by the total percentage, total quantity of the feed, which is 100 kg. The feed is 100 kg feed. This is 100 kg feed. So we have to multiply this by this and divide it by this for us to get the crude protein for one particular product. So here we're starting with bone and meat meal, which is 2.5 times 50 divided by 100. The next one is 17 times 8 divided by 100. This is 15 times 12 divide by 100. This is 85 times 1 divide by 100. This is 50 times 2 divide by 100. This is 45 times 10 divide by 100. This is 45 by 10 divide by 100. Let me clarify something here. Some soybean meal, if well prepared, can get up to 48% crude protein. So, but here I'm using the lowest value. Even if no matter how you preserve it and no matter how you prepare it, you are getting at least nothing less than 45 kg. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one is still there. Now let's get this result. We're making use of our calculator here to quicken our result. 2.5 times 50 divided by 100, that will give us 1.25. The next one is 17 times 8 divided by 100, that will give us 1.36. Next one is 15 times 12, that will give us 1.8. Next one is 85 times 1 divided by 100, that will give. Next one is 50 times 2 divided by 100, that will give us 1.0. Next one is 45 times 10 divided by 100, that will give us 4.5. Next one is 45 times 10 divided by 100, that will give us 4.5. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, if you add all this now, it's going to give us 50. Now, 50 minus 100, that will give us 50. So here we have 50 here. 50 kg of corn. So that will give us 50 times 9 divided by 100. 4.5. So here we have 4.5, 4.5, 4.5. That is 4.5 times 3. That will give us 13.5 plus 1 plus 0.85 plus 1.8 plus 1.36 plus 1.25. This will give us 19.76 crude protein. So this is the crude protein for this particular feed. You can see that this feed is superb. It will give you the maximum results you need. Please, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, like this video. This is the first time I am posting feed formula for laying birds, and I want you to appreciate this particular formula by giving it a thumb up, comment. Even if you don't know what to comment, thank you can go a long way to encourage me to produce more. And do well to view our advert. All the adverts that are played on the channel, please try and view it. That's the only way you can encourage this channel also. And at the same time, join our membership. Check the membership categories 1, 2, 3, 4. Join one of them. It's just a little amount of money you pay monthly, and that will give you a massive advantage to gain more from this channel. You get your contact, you get my contact number, I answer your questions, you call me from time to time, you chat with me on other social media, and I can attend to your farm issues at any time if you join the farm group. Choose one of them, just little amount of money. Make sure you share this video to reach more farmers. Like and comment while I drop here, loading another video very soon. Don't go away. I love you all.